Okay, so here we are. They're calling this Blizzard 2010. I'm in Washington, D.C. area here. And we have, at this point, just a wee bit of snow. I would say we're looking at pretty well, probably close to 30 inches. We just, as you can see my sister's car, we, less than an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago, we cleared this car completely off. Not the top, mind you. It looks like it's got a muffin top. But there's, all you can see is the windshield wiper of my car. This is unbelievable. This is snow. As you can see, this is a basketball hoop thing. And there's just, it's getting to the point where we don't have a whole lot of places to put this massive amounts of snow. We thought we were keeping up with it, and in ways we're really glad we shoveled what we did about 4 times yesterday, because it just doesn't want to go away. It doesn't want to stop snowing. You know, sooner stop snowing, and then in 2 hours later you've got another 2 to 3 inches on top of it. And the dogs are hilarious. This is my Haiku, and she just thinks this is a lot of fun. I'm hoping they'll come out and I can show you how they, I love this. I will leave her in privacy, give her a little privacy here. My Westie is just light enough that she's staying on top of the snow pretty much. But they get these snowballs on them, and Haiku's getting, here she goes. This is, go on Haiku, get up there. Somebody throw a snowball for this dog. She loves snowballs, and it is amazing. Look at the trees. As you can see on the house, on the cars, the tree is now almost touching. I don't know if the car grew up to the tree or the tree came down to the car. But the branches, it looks like the car is growing a tree. Do you see this, Jeanette? Look at how the branches are sticking out from the top of the car. It just looks so funny. Let me get a close-up of that. The branches are of the tree. The snow on top of the roof of the car met up. The two of them got together there. This is just, I mean, you really barely even know how we're ever going to get out of this snow. It's not supposed to warm up at all. In fact, the temperature's really quite dropping, and we're supposed to get up to 25-mile-an-hour winds this afternoon, which is going to wreak havoc with, that is the cul-de-sac out there, where Maddie is trying to find a place. Some dry land, and I don't know, we haven't heard or seen a plow, and I'm not sure we will. There's my dear husband. He is, Mark is working very hard. It's on the endless job. Okay, there goes Westie. She's gonna go and, oh, chicken, go explore. Throw a snowball for Haiku. Go get it. She loves the snow. She thinks the snow is a lot of fun. Oh dear.